Hello friends, today I have some important news about Samsung's new wireless earbuds, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Just before they hit the shelves, Samsung has halted shipments of these earbuds. Why? Let's take a closer look. Samsung has identified some quality issues with the ear tips of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Specifically, there have been reports of the tips tearing and leaving a plastic ring on the earbud when trying to change them. Imagine buying a $250 product and encountering such a problem. Not ideal, right? Early users reported experiencing tearing when removing the ear tip. Fortunately, Samsung is not ignoring this issue. According to information given to Android Authority, they have temporarily suspended shipments and are checking the products. Samsung USA has postponed the release date of the Buds 3 Pro to August 28th. However, in the UK and Germany, the earbuds will start shipping from August 16th. Amazon USA has completely removed the Buds 3 Pro listing. Samsung has stated that they are conducting a thorough quality check before sending them to stores. In South Korea, a Samsung support page advises against using nails when removing the ear tips. While this might be good general advice, it doesn't seem to be the main cause of the tearing issue. There is definitely a quality control problem. The good news is that this issue is not occurring with every unit. Many users have reported being able to change the ear tips without any problems. If you do encounter a faulty pair, Samsung has stated that you can visit the nearest service center for an exchange or a refund. If you have pre-ordered and are considering canceling, I recommend holding off. If you have a Samsung phone, the Buds 3 Pro is probably the best option out there. I tried them in-store and found they sound much better than the Buds 2 Pro and even the AirPods. It's a solid product and the issue is not widespread. If you get a faulty unit, you can easily get it replaced or refunded. If you manage to get a pair before the delay, check the ear tips thoroughly. If they're fine, great. If not, don't worry. Samsung offers easy replacements or refunds. For everyone else, it might be worth waiting for a quality-checked product. The good news is that Samsung identified this issue before the product went on sale. If millions of people had bought the earbuds and thousands had broken ear tips, it would have been a disaster for Samsung. However, it's good to see Samsung taking swift action to address this. Product recalls or shipment delays can be a major headache, but it's better than releasing a flawed product. The delay until late August might be a bummer for some, but it's a small price to pay for a better product in the long run. Interestingly, big tech companies sometimes face quality issues too. For example, the AirPods Pro had a noise issue, and Apple handled it with a replacement program. This shows that even the biggest companies can have The delay until late August might be a bummer for some, but it's a small price to pay for a better product in the long run. Interestingly, big tech companies sometimes face quality issues too. For example, the AirPods Pro had a noise issue, and Apple handled it with a replacement program. This shows that even the biggest companies can have hiccups, but how they handle them makes the difference. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.